My Homework is a fantastic app for keeping kids organized with their school classes and school tasks. You can log in here using a Facebook account, Google account, or if you do not have either one of these, you can create your own My Homework account. So I'm just going to sign into my account. Okay, so once you've signed in, everything should appear blank. So we're going to have to add a class, so we're just going to click the addition sign right here in the corner. And I'm going to add a class manually, so I'm going to click Add a Class Manually. So here, we're going to write the class name, when it starts and ends, the building, whether or not your class changes buildings, the room it's in, the teacher, class color, which will differentiate your classes, and other info. So I'm going to write science, and let's say it starts December 1st and ends December 31st. I'm going to write that it's in room 126, and the teacher will be L. Smith. Okay, so now we're just going to pick a class color. So light green will now mean science for me. Save and add class times. Here you can have either time-based, period-based, block-based, or other. So I'm going to go ahead and choose time-based, because that's how my school works. And you can either have same schedule every week, or you can choose alternating weeks. So I'm just going to choose same week. Okay, so let's say it's on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Start it at 8 a.m. and end it at 10 a.m. We're going to save that. So now we have science. So now I'm going to add some homework. So let's say I have a lab report due. I'm going to click the addition sign here in homework. And in description, I'm going to indicate that it is a lab report. And the class it is for will be science. Here in type, lab is already selected, but you can choose whichever type it is that you need. There's also priority. This allows you to choose which one of your assignments is of higher priority. So let's just say my lab report is of high priority. And we're going to go and change the due date to the 17th. And we're going to put a reminder for one day before that it's due. So the reminder can let you know that you have an assignment due. Now we're going to save. And there we go. Okay, so now that we've added some homework, we can go over here to the Calendar tab. And here on the Calendar tab, you can see by this black dot that you have something due here. So if I click on the 17, I see that I have a lab report and a test revision. Also, if you get new assignments, you can go ahead and add them here as well. So on the 19th, I have nothing due. But if I want to add some homework, I can write math problems. It is for math. Type it is homework. It's due the 19th. It's of medium priority. And I will put one day before that it's due. So then I'm going to save this. And now I have math. Okay, so here on homework, we can see which assignments are late or upcoming. So you can know which ones you still have to do. Okay, so here on the Teachers tab, you can use it to find your school or teachers. And so if I want to find my teacher, you can click Find My Teacher or school name, and you can just search for it. And this is, of course, if your teacher or school has created an account. And if they have, here in announcements is where you will find things that they've posted. So if they've posted any homework or assignments or any new test dates, you'll be notified here. There's also account and settings. You can just change any personal information, or if you need to edit your class schedules, like how many blocks a day you have or anything like that. So My Homework is a great app to keep students organized and on track with their schoolwork. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.